In this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner with washi tape from Simply Gilded and stickers from the Happy Planner Colorful Florals. If you like flowers, stay tuned to check out 5 different ways that you can use flower stickers in your planner. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Over on the community tab, you all had voted for lots of floral stickers. Half of you voted for florals, so this week will be a floral spread. And make sure after this video you head on back over to the community tab to vote for next week's theme. Let's get started. We are going to use my 5-step decorative process, and I'm also going to show you 5 different ways to decorate with flowers in your planner. Step 1 is to choose your theme, and we chose Colorful Florals as our main sticker book, and I think we're going to use all the colors. I like that page that has all the bright colors, so I think we're going to use all the colors in this spread. So I like to narrow down before I get started like what my color palette will be. That's step 1. Step 2 is washi tape, and I found this pretty floral washi tape from my Simply Gilded collection, and the colors really match with the ones in the sticker book. So I'm going to use this washi tape this week. Okay, I'm just going to use a little bit of washi to separate this little to-do list area with this little lined area right here. So I'm going to put a little strip of washi right here, and then grab my X-Acto knife to trim this edge just like that, and this edge just like this. I think I'm going to put another little strip over here as a background for maybe like a weekend banner or something like that. And I think I'm just going to go to this edge here. All right, I found the first 2 boxes. The next step, step 3, is box stickers. And I love this one, and it looks so good with our washi tape. And I would normally want to put it over here, but I don't want to cover up the washi and I don't want to trim the sticker. So I think it's going to go somewhere in our spread, maybe like on Wednesday or Thursday. Thursday's actually the middle day, so maybe it should go Thursday. But I'm going to put another big sticker on the weekend, so I think I'm going to put it on Wednesday. And I'm just going to offset it something like this. I love that so much. All right, let's grab the other big sticker that I saw that I like. This one, and it says, "Stop and smell the flowers." Ah, that's perfect. So that can go somewhere on the weekend, maybe in the middle. I kind of like it down here, and I like it in the middle. Maybe like that. I think I like it here. I'm going to put it here. The next one I like is this one. I love that bright spring green chartreuse kind of color. Is that quite chartreuse? Yeah, I think it is. To put somewhere on this page. Remember, you can always flip your stickers upside down too. In the middle, at the top, over here. I think I like it here. Okay, here's a different type of box sticker. It's clear with lines on it, which I don't know if I've tried one of these before, and we'll have to check it out and see if we can write on it. All right, so that kind of overlaps over here. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. I kind of like that. That's cool. I think I'm gonna grab a sticker from this page too, so that we're kind of picking one box from each of the box collections. I just think it's cool. So let's grab a yellow from that page. Okay, I want to use one more type of box. There are these ones with the line, whatever, a shape, and florals, and then some dot grid. Let's put that over here on Sunday. Which way should it go? We could do it a different direction. It doesn't have to fit in the box, but how about just barely off the edge like that? That's kind of cool. All right, I want to layer 1 or 2 boxes. I like this little reminder. It says, "Remember this." I love that green color. So I'm going to put it right here, kind of as a header for this box. Okay, let's add another one of those over here to this box. Step 4 is checklists and bullet points. And I like to use some of both. I just like to make sure every day has a space to write either checklists or bullet points or flags. So this sticker book has all three that we can use. So let's just start and add some flags. So one day we'll put flags. So let's put flags on Monday, and they can go both directions. So let's just add a few in our color theme that we like here. We can use any of these. They all kind of go, except the purple. We don't really have purple in our spread, but we have this green. So let's do like 4 colors. So we'll put 2 flags up in this box. We have orange in our spread, and we have yellow. So we'll add both of those. And then, so Monday we'll have flags for our to-dos or whatever. And then Tuesday, let's grab a checklist and put that somewhere. I'm gonna grab yellow because it will balance out that other yellow sticker. So like, since I have yellow on this page, I wanna put some yellow on this page. And since I have teal here, I want a teal there. Since I have green over here, I want green over here. I just like it. It balances out and it just looks good to me. So this checklist can go here, or it can go here or here or here. Anywhere we want to put it, or in between. I kind of like it in between right here, just to be different. I like making it interesting. Or there. All right, I'm gonna put it down here. And I flipped it over so there's more space. So the first bullet's here instead of this space being at the bottom, because that way I can write a header on there, like to-dos or whatever. Okay, since we have a checklist on that page, let's put a checklist on this page. I just grabbed green because I just like it. Now, sometimes you can put your checklist or your bullet points in between 2 days, and then you can use it on both days. So where you have flags here, we have a place for bullet points here on both of these days. I can put this one in the middle here, 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 anywhere. It doesn't, just wherever you want to put it. I think I'm going to go with this middle right here. It's not perfectly even, but it's fine. Okay, next I want to share one of the ways to use flowers in your planner, and I wanted to use little tiny flowers as bullet points because that's one of the ways I like to use flowers functionally in my planner. But this sticker book does not have any tiny flowers, but it does have these little sprigs of floral, I don't know, herbs or flowers or something. And I thought it would be cool to use these as our bullet points. So we'll have 2 little gold sprigs there. Leave a comment and tell me, how do you like to use flowers in your planner? Are you a fan of flower stickers? And how do you like to use them in your planner? All right, next up is decorative stickers. So obviously we're going to use some flowers. There are also a couple of other stickers in here that I saw that I love. Like, we're going to use some letters. I like to use the letters to put TGIF on Friday. I like these ones with the bright green in them, so let's grab those. One of the ways you can use floral stickers is along the edge of your page, like hanging off the edge like that. So it can go anywhere around the edge of your page or around the edge of your boxes. Let's put this one in the 2 bottom corners, like that, and we'll trim around it. And then take this one and decorate this corner. Another way I like to use florals is to decorate inside a box. So you'll end up with something kind of like a box sticker, but instead of using a box sticker, you can use flowers. Let's take some of these, and you can use any different ones that are floral. And I like to trim them and then stick them to the edge. So we're just gonna put florals in this Friday space up here. this box space instead of using a box sticker. So let's trim that so it fits kind of like that. Over here. Then we need our tweezers to place that. And then we can trim a little bit more, make another sticker to go right in here. All right, I found a banner to go on our weekend. Most of these are too big to fit there, so we could trim them, but one of them fits and it's the right color. So let's put this Bloom with Grace on our weekend. Another way you can use floral stickers, I'm gonna grab one of these gold line drawings. Another way to use the flower is as a background for a box. So I want to use this little tiny box that says I'm happy, but I think it would look cool with a little floral background. So we're going to make them into like one sticker. And then we will place it somewhere. I'm thinking right here. Yeah, I like that spot. The last way that you can use flowers in your planner, the fifth idea, is as a filler for space. And what I mean by that is after you've written in your plans, so let's find a box. Okay, I know where I'm going to put it. So I'll write in like what I'm doing for lunch here. So I'll be writing, and then there'll be like a space here, and there will be nothing there. It'll just be blank. So after I've written in my plans and my notes from that day, you can go back later with a flower sticker and just put it there to fill in the blank space. And then it just makes your spread look even prettier. All right, let's decorate with a couple more stickers. I like this I am positive to put here. I want to layer the circle that says focus on gratitude. I like that. I like the sticker focus on wellness to overlap onto both of these stickers. One last tip, there's a little extra space here because this box is sized to fit in, I think, a horizontal planner, one of the other layouts, so it doesn't fit here perfectly. So you can always take some of your skinny washi tape if that space bothers you and just fill that in with some contrasting washi tape. Trim both sides, and it also gives it kind of a border. I love it. I love these little quotes or affirmations. This one says, I am healthy. Does this match? Doesn't really match. Oh, bummer. All right, let me put that one back. Let me pick a different one that matches our color. That orange is just kind of light. Let's see, it kind of matches that, but it's a little bit peach. Does it match that? Oh, it does match that. Maybe I'll use it anyways. I don't think it matches the best, but okay, I like it. It says I am healthy, and I want to focus on that, so we're gonna put this here. And I like it overlapping. Okay, let's see how it looks in the planner. Let's test out this clear sticker with a Sharpie pen. That's what we usually use to write on clear stickers. So I'm gonna usually put my work schedule in here. Yeah, I think you're going to need a Sharpie or another permanent marker to write on those clear ones. If you liked this video, make sure you subscribe so you can watch more planner and productivity videos from the Planner channel. If you are new to planning and you want to learn more, check out the Planner School. There are links to most of the products in the description box. Remember to share how you like to use flowers in your planner in the comments section. Hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!